Ever wondered how to maintain a healthy diet during Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting? Well, today we're diving into some nutritious and delicious recipes that are perfect for suhoor and iftar meals. First up, we're preparing a vibrant and satisfying quinoa salad. Start by cooking a cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water. While that simmers, chop up a colorful array of veggies. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Once the quinoa is fluffy and cooked, mix it with your vegetables, adding a handful of fresh mint and parsley for a refreshing twist. Drizzle with lemon juice, olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. There you have it, a fiber-rich, protein-packed salad to kickstart your day. Next on the list is a traditional Middle Eastern dish, lentil soup. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions and garlic in a pot. Stir in red lentils, chopped carrots, and vegetable broth. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender. Blend the mixture until smooth and finish off with a sprinkle of cumin and a squeeze of lemon. This warm, comforting soup is high in protein and a surefire way to replenish your energy levels. Thirdly, we're whipping up a batch of oat pancakes. Combine oats, a ripe banana, and a couple of eggs in a blender until smooth. Pour the mixture onto a heated pan, flipping each pancake once bubbles appear on the surface. Top these fluffy pancakes with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey for a breakfast treat that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Our fourth recipe is a hearty chickpea stew. Sauté onions, garlic, and bell peppers in a pot before adding canned chickpeas, chopped tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Let the stew simmer until it thickens. Add a dash of paprika and cumin for a smoky flavor. This stew is rich in protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. Last but certainly not least, we're making a refreshing fruit salad. Simply chop up your favorite fruits such as apples, oranges, and berries. Add a squeeze of lime and a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra health kick. This fruit salad is a hydrating, vitamin-packed dish that's perfect for ending your meal on a sweet note. In summary, we've explored 5 healthy recipes to enjoy during Ramadan. A quinoa salad, a lentil soup, oat pancakes, a chickpea stew, and a fruit salad. Each of these dishes is packed with nutrients to support you during your fasting period. Remember, eating well during Ramadan is all about balance, and these recipes offer a variety of flavors and health benefits. So, as you observe this holy month, remember that you can enjoy delicious meals that also nourish your body.